Okay, Ralph, tell me about your El Camino.
Well, it's a 72 El Camino. Originally had a 350 engine, and I removed that and put an LS3 480 horsepower 4L70 transmission, 4L70E electronic. Everything has been replaced. Transmission gears, rear end gears, 380 rear end, all the wheels, tires, everything has been refurbished or replaced.
And it was body off frame.
Body on frame, seats are Camino seats, 2013, which are extremely comfortable.
And who did the upholstery?
Gabe Lopez, renowned upholsterer in San Bernardino, does all high-end upholstery. Has done 6 cars for me, and every one of them have been outstanding.
And then also you said when you found the body was in the whose shop?
It was in Tim Beard's hot rod restoration. He did all the work. And I was just finishing up one car, and he said, you ought to buy this El Camino. And the rest is history.
And how long did it take him to build it?
3 years. Car cover that hasn't been put on yet, it's clean.
And that's, what do you call that? That drip?
Yeah, it's got a drip rail, and the paint was matched to the upholstery, and it doesn't leak a drop, not even a single drop.
Wow. And it's got 2,500 miles on it approximately since it was built.
Yes, and everything was replaced. The speedometer, the gauges, the cables, nothing that was left undone.
Well, it's beautiful. Why don't we pop the hood and take a peek at the motor? Let's talk about this engine again.
It's an LS3, purchased at Summit, 480 horsepower. Transmission is a 4L70, which is the top of the line. 4-speed, of course, overdrive. Nothing has been left undone.
Excuse me a sec, I'll get this side. AC?
Air conditioning, factory air conditioning that works well.
Huh. Great, Ralph. Well, thanks for sharing, and you know what? We'll turn this off real quick, and then I'll fire it up.
Okay.